Everybody, I just thought I'd do a quick video because a lot of people have been asking me how do I find indicators once I've paid for them. So what you're going to do is go to tradingview.com and then click on chart. Okay, so if I just go to tradingview.com just now, right, so it'll come to this when you get on the website. Just click on chart. Okay. I'm just going to remove everything on my chart just now. Okay. Let's go to auto. Right, so from here, you'll have something that says indicators up at the top. It might not say indicators if you've got a smaller screen. It might just be that logo. Now you're going to click on that, and you're going to go to invite only scripts, which is down here. Now, bear in mind, once you've paid for the indicators, it takes up to 24 hours to get access. So if you bought it and you don't have it straight away, just, don't worry, you will get it soon. Okay, you'll actually get a notification over here when it has been, when your access has been granted. But in the meantime, you can check it yourself. So you go to invite only scripts, and then you are looking for Sniper Recon V2 and Sniper V2. Add them both to your chart, and there you go. That's it. Everything pops up. Any more questions? You can get in touch in the Discord, alright, guys? But if not, happy trading.